Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly, and I'm going to do a video just to give a current update of where we are in the crypto land. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is market cap. We are at $571 billion. This industry is $571 billion. That's bigger than Walmart. That's bigger than Visa. That's bigger than Disney. That's bigger than AT&T. We're doing some things. As of now, there's 1,364 different cryptocurrencies. And some of you may already know, today Bitcoin hit 20,000. So it's 7 p.m. to already, 7:15 p.m. right now. When I woke up this morning at 7 a.m., it had hit 20,000. I think it hit around like 5 in the morning is when it hit 20,000. So it crossed that mark. And that's cool because there were people just several months ago saying Bitcoin might get to 10,000 by the end of the year, and here we are December 17th and it's hit 20,000. So that's just awesome. So anyway, what I wanted to do was just go through and look over here and look at where we are. So when I looked at this around, I think it was 5 o'clock, this was a sea of red, except for a couple of them. And it occurred to me that the CME futures market had opened up overseas, and that's probably why we see this downtrend, because when everything was just was not including the CMEs, everything was all green earlier today. So that's probably what we're looking at. So anyway, this would be a good time if you are doing Bitcoin to US dollar trading in GDAX. This would be a good time to do some trading now that it's low, and then be able to sell it when it is high. So some people can do cryptocurrency trading just with Bitcoin against the US dollar on GDAX. That's something that you can do, and all you're doing is buying it low, like right now, compared to where it was earlier, of course. So you buy it low, 18,000, and then when it hits 20, you sell it. When it goes back down, you buy it at 18 something, you buy it again. When it goes back up to 20 something, you sell it. So that's a way to make money, a little bit of money here and there, if you want to play that game. Now, the other thing that I've been doing is I have finally succeeded in my goal. I have gotten everything in the top 10. So I have a little bit of every single thing. So I'm very, very happy about that. I'm also pleased because this Cardano 88 jumped up really nicely. And I also got, what else? The last thing I got, I think, was Neo. And Neo, I think, was the last one I got. And I think that's further down. Yeah, it's down here. Okay, cool. So I'm happy about that, because when I got that one, it was at 48 bucks. So I'm very pleased with that one. And then the last thing I got after I finished my goal up here was to get Omisigo. Okay, so I got that OMG, and I got that one, it was at 13.44. So I'm very, very happy about those moving up. So basically my strategy is just to, again, have everything in the top 10, and now I'm looking for select other coins to get into. This is one that I wanted to check out, so I might get a little bit of that as well. And just kind of looking through to see if anything jumps out, catches my eye that I want to invest in. I was thinking about getting into Dogecoin. I might buy some of that, not sure, but I'm doing some research on it and several others. XVG, this one here, this is another one that I'm looking at, and I might go ahead and put some money into that one as well. Other people are saying Salt might be good, so I need to check that one out. And Einsteinium, I was doing a counseling session, a coaching session with a lady, and she said that she had bought Einsteinium when it was like 5 cents and then sold it when it was 50 cents, and then it went up to $1. And I told her, I said, if you really believe in the coin, go buy it now, get it now. And the very next day it went to $2. So I hope she did what I advised and suggested that she do, because again, if you believe in the coin, get it. And oh, I'm happy to see my Electronium here. Got a lot of Electronium, waiting for it to do its thing, and I've been tracking it throughout the day. So this is when I checked it a little bit earlier, and then this is after that, of course. And now where are we at now? Where's it go? Here's go. 79. So I'm happy to see it moving slowly up. I got a lot, and I'm going to cash out some of it. And I've already cashed out a couple of the coins in Cryptopia, so I could buy the other ones with my other, the strategy of buying a little bit of everything in the top 10. So I use some of my Electronium for that. So I'm happy. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video about where we are, and I suggest you find some good coins to get into, because this could be an awesome way to have your irons in the fire, in multiple fires, and then if something just really just goes full blaze, you'll just be really set. I saw this thing here, Decentraland. I'm like, what's that? I'm like, it's 10 cents. That might be something. I don't know. I'm just doing, trying to really isolate some things and kind of see if you can get, several thousand of these coins. Let's this one here. I don't know what this is, but I'm just using an example. So 1, 2, 3. 1,000 coins would be $13. And if this thing ever hits and goes to, $5, then look what you did off a $13 investment. So it's really it's open season. It really is. So I suggest you get in and have fun with this thing. I'm at Binance, Bittrex, Cryptopia, and what else? Another exchange. But those are ones that I'm using which do pretty good. All right, take care and have a good one. Bye bye now.